What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be fixing a very big boo-boo that's on my A90 Supra. I'm gonna take you guys maybe a month or two back when I first installed my RK titanium exhaust. Some of you guys who already watched my vlogs probably may have noticed, but I ended up burning and melting my diffuser. Initially when I first installed the exhaust, I kind of angled the exhaust up too high where it was touching the OEM diffuser, and not noticing, the exhaust heating up, it caused my diffuser to melt.
Holy shit, that looks good. Fuck, that looks good. So, as you guys can tell, I do still need to readjust the angle on the exhaust so it doesn't melt my diffuser anymore.
But luckily enough for today, A90 Shop was able to help hook it up with a carbon fiber exhaust guard. The A90 Supra came with a dual exit exhaust, completely stock. And a lot of you guys probably are running a single exit exhaust, or you kept the dual exit exhaust, but luckily enough for us, our friends at A90 Shop offer both driver's side, passenger side, or you can buy them as a bundle. Me running a single exhaust, I only needed the driver's side, so I am very thankful for them to be able to offer that kind of service for us. So if any of you guys are interested in purchasing a carbon fiber exhaust guard and saving you guys this trouble of melting your diffuser, go ahead and go to their website at a90shop.com. They're super cool to work with and they got this to me so quickly. So let's go ahead and get started and unbox this exhaust guard for you guys.
I need like a box cutter, official box cutter, because I'm just using my scissor now. So here we have it. It's actually super light. Holy crap! This actually looks really nice. This is gonna help cover up my melted bumper. Can you guys see the carbon? And it should be able to withstand the heat much more. This thing is not gonna be melting at all. Maybe the exhaust heat will eat up the graphene coating or the ceramic coating, but I'm gonna be able to, every time I wash the car, I'll just make sure I coat it again. But thank you so much. It already has the 3M applied in the back, and it came with a A90 Shop sticker, so you guys know I'm already gonna throw this on my toolbox. It's gonna be raining the next 4 days, 100% thunderstorms. I have a black car. If I wash it here today, it's just gonna look gross. I'm only gonna clean the diffuser area that I need to, and then we're gonna go ahead and slap on this exhaust cover. So all I'm gonna do to prep this area is I'm gonna use some quick detailer, a microfiber towel that I can waste, and I'm also gonna use this rapid prep cleaner that also works as an adhesion promoter so that the 3M tape on the back of the exhaust cover is gonna stick properly to the diffuser and make sure it doesn't come off. Next, what we're gonna do is just peel off the backing tape on this carbon fiber exhaust guard. Got it all peeled off. That was actually easy. I hate doing that shit.
all done with the install, and the carbon fiber exhaust guard looks freaking amazing. I just want to shout out A90 Shop real quick. I messed up my rear bumper and they literally saved my ass. No pun intended. But let's go ahead and take a look up close.
Here it is. Look at it. It fits so perfectly. I had no issues putting the carbon fiber exhaust guard on. And like I said, I'm running the single exit exhaust. So if you guys are running a single exit exhaust either on the driver's side or passenger side, they do offer exhaust guards for both sides that you could purchase individually. And if you own a dual tip exhaust, then you can just purchase the bundle. But look at that rear end. It looks so freaking good. Holy moly. I am so happy with how this car is turning out.
That's all I got for today's video. Thank you so much if you guys made it this far into the video and watched all the way to the end. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next for my Supra, leave a comment down below. Maybe there's some parts that I've missed that are super easy to do. Interested to see what you guys have to say. Or if you have any opinions about my build so far. But again, that's all I got. Comment, like, subscribe. Catch you guys later.